Guys, I not only make videos for my channel, but also watch other channels with pleasure. And you know what? I want to make my own flying RC car. That is why I bought two of these boxes. Where's Timon? He likes to do unboxing. This RC truck is cool as it is, but to make it fly up, I need wings. Wings came to me in disassembled form like this, so it was necessary to work a little. I won't show you the whole process, I guess everything is clear. You take RC truck and wings, then fix it with zip ties and double-sided scotch. Looks reliable. As a result, I got this flying RC truck. Looks cool, right? Then I found this hill in the park nearby, so everything will happen here. Well, at least I hope so. I don't know who and why made this ramp, but I will use it today for sure. And guys, as always, what are your bets? Will it fly over this pit or not? First attempt, let's do it. Holy, I didn't expect even this, since it is very difficult to drive this car with such large wings. And you know what? I made many attempts. Not all were successful. I even repaired the car several times, like changed zip ties. But you know what? I've done it. Well, actually I just satisfied my desire in my own flying RC car. Although this is not quite what I saw on the videos. I wonder what else can I do with this RC truck? Do you guys have any ideas? And as usual, I will show in my next video the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.